Hello, everyone, it's Rusty Allen. We're gonna watch me curb stamp Som. Som, who the fuck's Som? Who the fuck is Som?
Mom!
SOM? Oh fuck, ow, fuck. The chair, it hurt me. Mommy! Ow! Fuck you, chair! Ow! Fuck! Fuck you, I switched! My fucking leg! This is for my Morty! And today, guys, that's today's skit of me stomping Sam out. And claiming vengeance for my Morty known as my NOS energy drink. Check out the other channel for the first video. Time to do some stupid shit and hopefully not fall backwards into the closet again like I did an hour ago. No, like I legitimately